What's up guys? Share ko lang sa inyo. First time to try the CEO Latte from Zeus Coffee. Syempre. And this comes in hot. No? Wala siyang iced variant. It's just one. Ang kulit ng cup nila. Kapansin-pansin. And look at the lid. As I was saying, no, yung flap dun sa lid. That's how it goes. There it is. Syempre, strawless. Since it's hot. Kulit nito, no? I mean, if you're traveling or wala silang drive-thru but like take out ka, you're driving, diba? You have to take it somewhere. Wala lang. It's so cool. And I'm a fan of this lid. No? And its mechanism. Nakakatuwa eh. No? Right. Shout out Zeus Coffee. Mr. Frank Lau. Buksan natin. It's very tightly sealed though. It's very tightly sealed. And this is how it looks inside. Tingnan natin, may pattern ba? Oh, it's like is that a leaf? Or maybe that's their logo mismo, no? But either way, yeah, very nice. So again, this is how the lid looks like. Tatanggalin lang natin. And that's it, no? Easy to consume your coffee. But of course, that is secondary. Yung design ng lid is secondary if the coffee is trash. But certainly not the case for Zeus Coffee. That is good coffee. And again, Boss Beans yung pinili natin para it's more on the nutty, chocolatey, bold and strong, bitter flavor. I like how this lid is really kumbaga elevated in a way, no? Yeah, ang ganda nung kada sip mo ng coffee. Well constructed on the lid, no? Nakakatuwa. I mean, I'm more of an iced coffee guy, but from time to time I have my cappuccino, I have my latte. That's really good coffee. Buksan natin just so you can see what's inside again. Look at that, of course. You have the foam pa rin with this one. Really good coffee. Shout out Zeus Coffee. Shout out Boss Frank Lau. Doing a great job. Zeus Coffee right up there. Mga top coffee chains na lagi natin binibisita at ino-orderan ng kape.